Hello guys, it's Itana, and today welcome to another tour with me again. We're at a 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ right here in Apo Resettlement. Now this property is one very beautiful property that comes with a very bold exterior, nice facade, and a great architectural design. This property is right here in Apo Resettlement and is valued for 300 million naira. Now guys, I love how this compound is looking at this property. It's just 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 units of semi-detached duplex. Now see how they prioritize the greenery in this compound, coming from outside down to the inside. It comes with very beautiful greeneries, nice planters at this end. Each of the property comes with this beautiful greenery, nice planters, and I just love the fact that they have this car slots, this car park under each of the property. Now we're going to be showing you this particular unit at the moment that comes with this very beautiful parking lot. As you can see how this parking lot is looking. Now this property is in a very beautiful environment, safe and secure environment right here in Apo Resettlement. Now guys, see how beautiful this parking lot is. Now I love the fact that this can just contain about two exotic cars right here, and right outside here it can contain another 1 to 3 up to 4 cars right here. So this property can contain about 5 to 6 cars. So let's go inside and see how this property look like inside. Now guys, see how they just have good lighting in this property. Even at night, this property is well lit. Now let's go inside so I show you how it looks like. Now coming inside, you have this first floor. This property is on a 2-floor. The first floor and the second floor, the ground floor, the first floor and the second floor. Now guys, coming in, you are welcome with this beautiful ante room right here that comes with the visitor's toilet on that end. And right here we have this, I just love how they have very good designs on the wall with this lighting. Right here we have the laundry room in this property. See how good this laundry room is looking. And right at that end we have the Maids room at that end. Now come guys, let me show you how the first floor in this property looks like. See how spacious this particular spot is looking at. This is just it for the first floor. That comes with the ante room, the laundry room, the maid room, and then it leads us directly upstairs. Guys, this wall looks so good. I love the choice of color in this property. Nice sensored lighting on the staircase, looking really good. Now coming to this first floor, we have the living room on this first floor, and also the kitchen, and it comes also with 1 bedroom. Now let me show you how beautiful this is looking. See how spacious and nice this particular living room is looking, guys. Looking very good. Nice lighting over there, as you can see. Nice switches. Now they have very good super paints that you can just clean off, and this is actually a smart home. You can just control some fixtures with the central controller right there. Now guys, see how those walls looking. Beautiful. Comes with good windows that just allowing natural air in this property. Now let me show you the next spot. Now coming here, we have the dining spot. You can see how beautiful, how good this dining spot is looking. Comes with nice lighting, comes with nice ventilation over here, and I just love the fact that you can just be in the kitchen and see directly to the dining area. Now come inside. Let me show you how this kitchen is looking like. Guys, see how beautiful this kitchen is looking. Nice cabinetry, comes with table gas with a heat extractor, a nice chandelier, this very beautiful island over here, and also comes with this refrigerator over here. Guys, for 300 million naira, trust me, this is a beautiful property right here in Apo Resettlement. Now see how nice it's looking. Comes with an oven, comes with the microwave. Now let me show you, and look how beautiful the kitchen door is looking. Very transparent door. Now let me show you the next spot in this first floor. Now guys, see this space. I love how beautiful. See double volume ceiling right here, and see how beautiful this floor to ceiling glass is looking right over here. You just have this very beautiful spot that you can use for very good design. Interior design knows what to do. I love the wall. You can just clean off the dirt in this wall, and see how nice this door is looking, guys. Now let me show you the second room in this property, which is the first room of this floor. Guys, coming in, you can see how this particular room is looking. Comes with this very nice wardrobe over here, and Coming right here, we have the bathroom for this particular room, looking all good. Now guys, let's go to the second floor and check what we have on the second floor. Now I just love the fact that you have very good texture on this wall, nice wall lighting. At night, this property looks really beautiful. I personally love how this property is looking. Now see how nice this spot is looking. Beautiful lighting, guys. See how nice this lighting is looking. We just prioritize good lighting in this property. So coming right into this last floor, we have this space on the last floor. Now on this last floor, we have the 2 rooms here and also the master's bedroom on this particular floor. And I just love how you just come and have this space that leads you directly to each of the rooms. We have the master's, one on this side and this room. So let's check out what this particular room look like. Now coming over to this room, see how beautiful this wardrobe is looking out. For a semi-detached, this is a beautiful room. Now this can actually be the madam's room because it's looking very good. Now guys, come see how lovely this bathroom is looking beautiful. I love the choice of lights and the choice of tiling here. Comes with nice vanity spot, with nice choice of colors, and also comes with water heater. Beautiful space. So guys, imagine you can just see how it's looking from the glass. You can see your bathroom looks really good, and have this very nice cabinetry on this point. Now let me show you the second room, rather the third room in this particular property. Now coming to this particular floor, this is, sorry I said the third, this is the fourth room, and see how beautiful this is looking too. Comes with this mini light. This can be the children's room also. I will not use this for. It looks also really good for you. And come right here, we have the bathroom on this spot. Like you can see, each of the bathrooms does come really good. So this is the fourth room in this property. So like I said, on this particular floor, we have 1, 2, and 3 rooms. The madam's room, that room, and then the master's bedroom. So guys, welcome to the master's bedroom. Comes with very good windows that allows cross ventilation, a very nice POP. Each of the rooms has this very good POP lighting and comes with this very beautiful cabinetries, beautiful walk-in closet right here. Each of the wardrobe looks really good and really spacious. And also guys, let me show you what the bathroom looks like in this master's bedroom. Comes with this very nice transparent door that leads you directly into the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom spots, and right over here comes with very beautiful mirror on this end. Now the master's bedroom also comes with this door that just leads you right outside to the property. You can see how very nice this environment. You can, from here you can just oversee the compound. See how beautiful this compound looks like from here. Now guys, this property is in the market for a net price of 300 million naira. Give us a call number on the screen so we can schedule an inspection for you and video right here. Don't forget, my name is Apo.Abuja. I bring you good and profitable real estate deals right here in the city. See you on the next one, guys.